Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about types of account and golden rules of accounting. And we will also see how we can apply golden rules to transactions. There are three types of accounts such as personal account, real account and nominal account. So let us study this in detail. Now, personal account include accounts which is related with individual firms and companies, etc. It can be classified into three parts: natural personal account, artificial personal account, and representative personal account. So, natural person account includes accounts of actual person account. For example, Abhishek's account representing Abhishek, a person. Next is artificial personal account. It includes accounts of companies or firms which are recognized as a person in business dealing. For example, Mr. Abhishek and Company Limited account. Here it is representing Abhishek and Company Limited as an organization. Is representative personal account. It includes account that are representative of some person's account. For example, salary payable account. Here it is a collection of salary of number of employees. Suppose if we have to pay to particular employee, then we can create salary account in that case. But if we have to pay to 500 employees, suppose, then in that case, salary payable account represents salary of 500 employees. According to golden rule of personal account, we have to debit the receiver and credit the giver. For better understanding, let us see one example of personal account. So let us see one example of personal account. Paid Paradise Company 50,000 by check. In this transaction, two accounts are involved: Paradise Company account and bank account. Now, according to golden rule of personal account, we have to debit the receiver and credit the giver. So Paradise Company is the receiver of 50,000. So Paradise Company account is debited with 50,000 and bank account is credited because we are paying 50,000 by check. So NT would be Paradise Company account debited to bank account with 50,000. Now let us study what is real account. It includes account that are related with properties, assets, or possession. It can be both tangible real account and intangible real account. Tangible real account is the one that includes account which have physical existence. So physical existence means that it can be seen, touched, or felt. For example, building, cash, furniture, equipment, etc. And intangible real account is the one which includes account which does not have physical existence, that is, it cannot be seen, touched, or felt, but is measurable in monetary terms. For example, goodwill, patents, etc. Now, according to golden rule of real account, we have to debit what comes in business and we have to credit what goes out of the business. Reema purchased a machinery for her business worth rupees 10 lakh in cash. In this transaction, two real accounts are involved: cash account and machinery account. So according to golden rule of real account, we have to debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So NT would be machinery account debited to cash account. Machinery account is debited because machinery is coming in the business, and cash account is credited because cash is going out of the business with 10 lakh amount. Next is nominal account. It includes accounts of income and expenses. Now, income can be in form of sales, interest earned, etc. And expense can be in form of rent and salary. Now, according to the golden rule of nominal account, we have to debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gain. For better understanding, let us see one example of nominal account. Salary paid to employees rupees 1,50,000. In this transaction, there are two accounts involved, that is salary account and cash account. So according to golden rule of nominal account, we have to debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gain. So salary account is debited because it is expense of the business. We have to pay the salary. So salary account is debited with 1,50,000 and cash account is credited because Cash is going out of the business. Now we can conclude golden rules of accounting as under. According to personal account, we have to debit the receiver, credit the giver. And in case of real account, we have to debit what comes in the business and credit what goes out of the business. And in case of nominal account, we have to debit the expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Thank you for watching.